Hello everybody and welcome to my channel with art and cooking. Today I'm doing this art journal piece. This is in my Arteza watercolor smaller. It's like a 4 by, well, not 4 by 4. Is it 5 by 5 sort of art journal, and I taped off the margins so that I could get a nice clean edge when I was done. And I just painted this quickly. Our day's all kind of weird because when I recorded this, it was the day of the eclipse. So we were, of course, running out with our glasses here. We're in southeastern Michigan. So we get about a 98.6% eclipse. So we could have driven to Ohio, but but yeah, it's turning weird colors as I'm doing the voiceover and cooling down. So quite interesting. Let me know in the comments below if you went and enjoyed the eclipse as well, or what were your experiences. Here I'm using my Rosa Gallery watercolors. I think I have that in a haul video on my channel, I believe. If you take a look at my haul playlist and filter through there, if you or use the search bar Rosa Gallery, one of the tags should pop up. But anyways, I just thought I would do, in light of the eclipse, I was just thinking of, it was really bright and sunny today, so that was kind of the inspiration for this little piece. So I did, before I recorded, I had like a wash of blues and greens and just a bit of pink and orange, just to kind of set myself up for the sky and field. And just kind of getting my sun in there and just trying to layer on the different colors as they dry. Don't forget to check out the links below, and I have lots of links down there, some affiliate, some not, just some to my books and website and whatnot. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That lets YouTube know to share this video with others. So I'm not a victim of the algorithm, but anyways, just plopping in some various colors to give the sort of idea that there are flowers here in the field, with pinks, magentas, oranges, and bits of yellow to kind of reflect the sun. And yeah, just basically filling it in. I think I did use some white Posca pen at the end, but for the most part, other than that, I stuck to my Rosa Gallery watercolors. Yay for me, I hardly ever stick with one medium, but besides the Posca pen. But yeah, so actually the white in the Rosa Gallery is fairly opaque for a watercolor, so I did go ahead and try to put more clouds in there. You'll see here in a minute. Just kind of giving some something there. And then going ahead, the Rosa Gallery tin that I have has beautiful greens in it, and since I do a lot of florals and nature painting, greens are pretty important to me, so I like to get good greens. So here I am with the white. So this is the white from the Rosa Gallery. I was almost tempted to grab my gouache and go ahead and use that, but I thought, well, I'll try. It was fairly creamy and opaque, almost like, not quite as opaque, but almost like the Karataki tends to be pretty opaque as well, so I could have used that. And yeah, just layering it on in there. This was the first page in this particular journal. I have a few going always because I feel like when one's drying and you want to go ahead and you have your paints out to go ahead and start another painting, it's nice to have multiple art journals if you can. And I have different kinds, of course. Some are watercolor paper, some are like that Art Talons sort of all-purpose paper, that smooth, sturdy paper. And what else do I use? Lots of them. But here's the fun peeling, peeling of the tape, and you get those nice, almost clean edges. And that is my painting for today. So I hope that inspires you to get down into your supplies and play around, even just making something simple like this. And it's super fun. Thanks guys for joining me. Don't forget to do all the things and let me know if you saw the eclipse. Thanks and have a great day.